Let's do some of the questions about the errors. Okay, so we look at the questions and we can see that the given the scale interval is 0.1 cm, which means that the maximum absolute error is 0.1/2, and then the measured value given is 5.5 cm. So if you are not sure, you can draw the diagram. Okay, so 5.5 is the measured value, and the scale interval is 0.1 cm, which means that this one is 5.4, this one is 5.6. So part A, the question is asking you about the upper limit. It means that the question is asking you about this value. So if you draw the figure, it would be very clear. Okay, otherwise you can just use the formula. Okay, so this one would be 5.5 plus 0.1 divided by 2. That means the maximum absolute error. Okay, so would be this value. So this one would be 5.55 cm. 咁畫圖咧，你見到就好清楚啊。咁如果你唔畫圖咧，其實都可以，咁你就咁計咯。咁啊 part B 咧就係 find the possible range of the exact length. Okay, so if the question asks you about the range, you can answer either in English between something and something, or you can use the symbol. So here would be for this value. If this one is 5.55, so how about this one? This one should be 5.45. Okay, so this one would be the lower limit. So the answer would be 5.5 minus 0.1 divided by 2, smaller than or equals to the exact length. And then smaller than, okay, the upper limit, 5.5 plus 0.1 divided by 2. Okay, so the final answer here would be 5.45 cm, smaller than or equals to the actual length, smaller than 5.55 cm. The length of a pencil measured by a ruler is 8 cm, correct to the nearest cm. So this one is the measured value measured by a ruler. Okay, and correct to the nearest cm. So this one means nearest 1 cm. So which means that the maximum absolute error will be 0.5. So part A, the maximum absolute error is 0.5 cm. Okay, use this number divided by 2. And then part B, the question asks you to find out the percentage error. So the percentage error is that the maximum absolute error, okay， 我最大有機會犯嘅錯誤啦，最大嘅誤差啦，除翻咧就係我度嘅嗰一樣嘢 ，OK。咁呢個咧就係 relative error。咁我將佢咧係變成咗 percentage 嘅話咧，咁就係為之 percentage error 啦。So the answer would be 6.25%. The distance between two cities is 25,000 meters with a percentage error of 4%. Find the possible range of the exact distance. So first of all, you have to remember the formula, okay, of percentage error. And then given that, okay, this one is 4%. And then given that the measured value is 25,000 meters, and then you're looking for the maximum absolute error. So after you understand the questions, then you can start to do the questions would be, first of all, you can use the percentage error to find out the maximum absolute error, 25000 times 4%. So which will give you 1,000 meters. And then the possible range. So would be exact value is here. Okay, and then 25000 minus 1000, 25000 plus 1000. Okay, so would be 24000 meters. Exact 你可以用翻 exact value 或者 exact distance 啦。咁佢條題目係問你 exact distance， 我寫翻 distance。咁exact value 其實都可以嘅。So I think that's it.